MetaTrader 4 winning Forex trading strategy. This is meant for MT4 and you cannot use any of this indicator on MT5 except you have the MT5 version. Welcome to Profiting Forex Trading channel. If today is the first time of coming across my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you subscribe and do not forget to give me a thumb up. Make sure you trade on a regulated Forex brokers. In my video description, I did include some links to some of these regulated Forex brokers. Make sure you check them out and open any account with any of the regulated Forex brokers in your area. Make sure you open a demo account on any Forex broker that is regulated and try any strategy or indicators that you have on a demo account before you go live. It is important that you do that so that you familiarize yourself with the indicators or strategy before you go ahead to open a live account and fund it with your hard-earned money. It is important that you practice on a demo account and see if you are consistent with any strategy following money management as you trade on a demo account. This will help you to be disciplined and trade correctly when you trade on a live account. Make sure you trade on a regulated Forex brokers and do check Forex Factory to see if there's any news that may likely affect your analysis, and make sure you stay away 30 minutes before the news and the 30 minutes after the news, so that the impact of the news may not affect your analysis. Now let us move on to today's strategy. I have few indicators on my chart right now that I've combined together for this winning Forex trading strategy for MetaTrader 4. Now, how do I trade this particular strategy? It is simple. I have two indicators here, and I have another one here at the indicator window for this particular Forex strategy. And the first thing you have to look out for is this indicator that do change color from blue to red. Red is for sell and the blue color is telling us to buy, but we are not going to enter trade blindly like that because it's changed. And another indicator is this my indicator here. When it crosses the white cross above the yellow, this is another confirmation for a buy, and when it's closed the white is below the yellow, this is another confirmation for us to sell. And I have this on the indicator window. When white cross above is for a buy, and when it cross below, this is for sell. And we are going to combine these three indicators together to come up with a winning trading strategy for MetaTrader 4 as you trade on a regulated Forex brokers. Now, number one thing you have to look out for, as I said, is this indicator. So let us analyze all the indicators together right now. And at this particular point, we have this did change to red for a sell. And when you look at this indicator, a few candles later, it did confirm this particular sell. And the third indicator did change, the white did come under at this particular point. We have the white color here below the yellow. So all the indicators agreed at this particular point. This is where we have all the indicators in agreement around this particular point. Around this point, this is where we have all the indicators in agreement. So you can place your trade and your stop loss will be few pips above this level, and you write your trend. Now, the advantage of using the second indicator, this particular indicator, is this: if you miss the first entry at this particular point, then when this indicator change, that is the white do come under the yellow for a sell, then you can enter another trade at this particular point where we have confirmation still in agreement with other indicator. And here again, this is another opportunity for you to enter another sell. So I use the thick line, this red line, for major trend, and here I use this for continuation, so that I'll be able to enter in case I miss the first trade. So this is how to use this particular strategy. You can use it on any pairs you want to trade. This can be used to trade gold indices like a US 30, US 100, and the rest. You can trade Forex pairs and stocks, as many as you have on your MetaTrader 4. For a buy signal, it's still the same methodology. We have buy setup here. This change to blue, and we have the white star here for a buy, and the other indicator did give us a signal earlier for a buy. So the only thing we wait for was actually this particular indicator that did change to blue color at this particular point for a buy, and you found out it did deliver, and your stop loss will just be few pips below the previous low. So this is how to use this particular strategy on a regulated forex broker. And let's check other pair. This is USD Japanese yen, and we have a good run for a sell signal here. We have confirmation at this point. We have it here for a sell, and this is delivering. And for a buy, we have a serious run for a buy for a few days, and we have it at this particular point. This is where we have all the indicators in agreement, and this did deliver. This was massive pips. So this strategy did work. If you check the history, and let's check Euro USD, it's still the same methodology. Here is it for a sell signal, all in agreement, and for a buy we have it here. Let's check Great Britain Pounds USD, and here we have a good ride. This was for buy, and did deliver a good pips, and here for a sell, still selling, and delivered well. So this is a winning strategy. The download link is in my video description. Make sure you download it. It is free, and this New Zealand USD, we have a buy setup here. It is simple, and we have sell setup at this particular point. Here we have a buy signal generated at this point. I'm going to enter this trade after this video, and your stop loss will be few pips below the previous low. So this is how to use this particular strategy on any pairs you want to trade. It is simple. Make sure you follow money management, trade with stop loss, and do have a target that you are working towards. Do not just trade for trading sake, or you use a trailing stop to secure your profit as you trade. This is a simple strategy. As I said, anyone can use this particular strategy on MetaTrader 4. So as I said, I have few indicators. Make sure you use my template so that you have the same indicator like mine. I would not like to keep this video very long. I only have few indicators that I've combined together: MA rebound step MA, and MI RSI OMA indicator. So when you download it and you use my template, you will have the same setting like mine. I do not want to go over the setting one by one and showing you the value that I use, but make sure you download the indicators and do download my template. Till I come your way again, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, give me a thumb up. And this is Christmas period. If you want to give me any gift, if you've made money trading with my strategy, then I will drop a link in my video description if you want to donate or give me anything for sharing strategy since the beginning of the year for free, and you would like to appreciate me for doing that, and you want to appreciate me for that, I will gladly receive it. Thanks and bye for now.